Hello, hello.
Hi.
How are you doing today, bro?
I'm doing alright. How about you?
I suppose I do. I got these new LED lights. Are you gonna explain what we're gonna do today?
Yes. So what we're gonna do is gonna give Dall-E Mini prompts with just random things. We're gonna see what comes out of it.
I shall present you with this.
Magic remote control. Wow, what are
Look
those
at all
buttons?
those buttons.
Oh
So
my-
many buttons.
Holy shoot.
One brings the fourth dimension to you. Also the dimension Glorpidorp.
Yep, and if you use it wrongly,
Strange
you'll be
dimension.
inside of the bathrooms probably.
Oh no. Yeah, you change the properties of an object and you walk into it and then you fall.
Fall, no clip.
Uh,
Put SV cheats on. Put no clip on. Accidentally go into the bathrooms. Alright,
okay.
here's mine. This is a simple one.
Person. Alright.
Now, my question is, first of all, why doesn't the middle one have arms?
Some people don't have arms, that's just how
Yes.
they are living.
Second of all, why is the middle top one a pixeled body? Like, it just looks
Top
like an apple or
right.
something. And then you have the middle left one.
Here I got another one. Shrek at the beach. The middle one. The bottom middle one. Who's that woman? Who's that woman? What's up with it? What's up with that? What's up with that? And then in the middle, Shrek is at the beach with a couple, I see. Wow. Lava shampoo. Bruh. There's no lava there.
No, but look at that.
Silly goose.
Just what are these?
These are women.
No,
Washing their
you'd
hair with
say,
shampoo.
but when you actually start to take a look at them,
Oh, I see now. Oh gosh. Demons of the night.
yes,
Demons in my nightmares.
yes.
Wow. Alright. Anyways, here's a pizza.
New York
I tried this. New York doesn't exist apparently.
no, it
exist.
probably just tries to get a New York pizza instead.
Maybe I just have to fine tune it.
I have another one, which is far more funnier than I realized.
Hey, Cat Globe. Cat Globe. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Cat Globe.
Cat's glow!
Funny.
Ah.
Distorted. Here's the meaning of this video. That's what I
Yes. Oh god, what is that? Oh, what is the bottom right and bottom middle one?
Bottom right, bottom middle one.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know.
Yeah, there's
You know, the bottom middle one. The bottom middle one reminds me of a troll face.
yes, kinda. I have another one.
VR headset toaster.
Woo! We needed this in our lives.
This would be very handy during the winter, because if you're trying to do VR chat or something and you're very cold, this stuff could warm you up or something. You could also have a nice snack with it.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah.
Here's IKEA in hell.
Oh god, the bottom right one.
Yeah, I was gonna say that one is the most accurate of them all when it comes to hell.
It's like a store. You get in, it's all normal day, and then just boom. I got another one.
Smiling lid. Wow. Some of them have two mouths. Some
Yes.
of them have two mouths.
Some of them have no eyes.
Yeah. top left has a double chin. That's cool. Well, I think that's a double chin. Yeah, I got another one right here. Supposedly they should have had long hair, but I don't see any minions with long hair. But there's barely any hair on these boys or girls. I don't know. What are they? What are minions, anyways?
Single-celled organisms.
I thought they were Tic Tacs.
Alright, here's my one.
Water on fire in the winter with a Rubik's Cube somewhere. That's oddly specific, but wow, really, bro.
Yes.
That's something.
Yes.
You know, I tried our name, our brand name.
Smiling.
This is what came out of it. Smilinc. I think that's mostly just plants. What's up with that?
I don't know.
The drawings of plants.
Maybe it'll change over
That's
time.
Oh god! What have I
Uh,
created?
What you do, bro?
What have I created here? Oh god.
What do you do? Panic whilst oh jeez. Oh wow. That's just top left.
Yes.
Jeez. Oh my.
Yes.
Well, actually, most of them really.
Yeah.
Except bottom middle. That guy seems happy. That's happy.
Yeah.
That's.
Well, it
it
kind
were
of
green, then it would
kind of
be
makes
green.
me think of that mask.
Right, where just a guy who was sad, but then a mask is just like smug. Makes me
Yeah.
think of that.
Take a look at this one. Where's the horror?
It is horror.
Yes, I'm already.
Shampoo bottle gloves. Bruh. There has been a serious accident, buddy. There has been a serious accident. There's a toilet car crash.
Oh god. No.
Only the top left one really has the toilet.
Yeah.
Top left only has the toilet. It's not very accurate if I'm honest. Alright, let's see. Chickens made out of paper and bricks, held up by dead trees. Reminds me of the first episode of South Park when they were all made out of paper and was stop motion like. It's a bit like this. Anyways, here we have the best day of my life. Yes.
Nice. Wait, what's the middle one? What's the what?
The middle one
What
is
is just
they're
the
kissing.
square in the bottom left? It's just the whole square,
square.
like the four. All four. The middle one, the left
I don't
one,
see
the lower one, and the lower left one. Okay, I think I tried something, but it didn't really work. Sadly, it's just fire. It's just fire.
I see fire. The thing that fire is on.
Because
Wow.
what is on
Wow.
fire?
Darkness.
Yes, apparently.
Yes. Anyways. Hey, Batman. I am celebrating my birthday. Are you coming to my birthday, Batman? Society isn't coming to my birthday today. I shot Murray in the head, and he's not coming to my birthday.
Who's the guy on the right one? Why is he so big?
That's my nephew. His name is Jinker. He likes to jink people. Batman, I'm the Joker.
Alright, I got another one, which I tried, but it didn't work.
Alright, what's these? What's it? The thing that is raining.
Because
That's
it is
just
raining. What is raining?
Water. Water is raining.
Apparently.
Waluigi
Water.
eating onions.
Oh god.
Only the top right and middle right has onions. It looks like he's been in a car accident.
Middle top one also, but his
Middle
eyes
top.
are onions.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I see that.
His eyes are onions. I think
Oh, that's
bottom left one too. I got another one.
Moth lamp.
Moth lamp.
Wow. In a couple of them, it is literally the lamp. The moth is actually the lamp, but
Yeah.
the others is just lamp.
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 It's just lamp.
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 Here's a purple. Here are purple cows.
Milka.
Purple cows. They committed murder. They killed lactose intolerant kids. 5 of them, to be exact.
Middle one isn't even a purple cow. They're just cows in a purple field. I have another one for you here. Quite specific.
A guy chilling in a freezer with peas and toast.
Just look at him. Look at him. Some of the freezers have 2 doors for some reason.
Innovation makes perfect.
Yes.
I don't know. Yeah, I got something bad. This is Michael Jackson.
Oh god, he he looks like a skeleton.
Michael Jackson.
Wait, the top right one is just flossing.
Is it?
Yes.
It's up. Oh wow. Wow. Boom.
Why isn't my pigeon
Right.
stuff working?
Pigeon.
Pigeon.
I recently had a pigeon in my yard.
Nice.
It wouldn't fly away, so we fed it.
What? Wait, whoa. What the hell are these? What the hell are these?
I see planes.
Yes.
I see planes. I see.
Why
something
the
that looks
hell
like
are-
Clorox.
What the hell are the planes? Wait, I know, because they spew out carbon dioxide.
Is air, so airplane perhaps. Here's some spaghetti. Super Mario in real life. Spaghetti.
I got one. Pigeon.
Look at this one. Pigeon.
None
Wow,
of my pigeon stuff would work, so I just went with pigeon.
It's pretty accurate though. It's real. It looks very real to me. Those pigeons look very real.
Ah yes, smooshed face from the middle one, very real.
Smush face, middle one. Yeah, some of them are a little smushed. Anyways, L skeleton. Mouse skeleton. Mouse skeleton. Mouse skeleton.
I like that one, the last one.
This is a metal skeleton. It's a metal skeleton. It's funny. It's a funny metal skeleton. It's very funny. It's very funny.
Metal skeleton dice. I got one, though it isn't something that I wanted. It likes happy salad lady too much.
Happy salad, eating cheese.
Yeah, but
Cheese.
the cheese didn't show up sadly.
Oh wow, top right.
Yes,
This is a pink face. It got a pink face.
it's right one too.
Well, the nose is pink, but yeah, sure, I got one. Here's one, and there you go. I tried anime Barbaras. This is the results. I expected them to be drawn and stuff in most of these, but only a handful are.
Yeah, bottom left one especially. Top left. What the hell is that? Alright, I'm gonna show you this
oh,
one
wow,
first.
that's
I'm gonna
actually-
show you this one first.
Door in the shape of a mouse. Where's the mouse?
It's everywhere.
Maybe.
The door is a mouse, confirmed.
Oh my goodness. Number 12. The door is a mouse. Everyone be aware of the mouse door. It'll grab you by the heels and chew all your cheese. Be careful.
Walter
Number
White
13.
as a
Walter
clown.
White is a clown.
Walter White
He appears to
usually
be in a
makes-
funny mood.
Walter White usually makes mad, but when he doesn't, he has a side job of being a clown.
He does the funny in front of his bro. He likes to do the funny in front of his wife. Ooh. Yeah, the middle one is straight up a clown. I say the top left one is the most accurate.
Yes.
And
yes,
top right
definitely.
might be a before and after picture.
Well, after kinda, I know. I get a funny one here.
Alright, let's take a look at it. Advertisement for briefing. What the hell is the bottom right left one? Are those plants or something?
No, those are like
Wow.
those things that like are in the lungs, but for some reason they're out of it. I don't know. The middle left one though.
Alright. Yeah, the middle left one. Oh shoot. Oh wow. Anyways. Freddy Fazbear Pizza.
If those were models, those would be really cool. I'd say. The bottom right one. The middle left one is just my reaction to that information video. Yes, I have one. Finally, I have one. Finally. Wee towel.
Wow, that's the new DLC, bro. The Wii Towel. What a perk.
It only took about like 12 years or something.
Anyways, I got a funny. It's a funny. You know, it's a funny. It's old people falling off stairs. It's a funny. I like the middle one.
He just died. He just goddamn died.
Yes, does the die. He does the death. Yes.
I have another one. I think this is the right one. Yes.
Jeff Bezos did. Jeff Bezos asked. Apparently also massive wild colors.
Yes.
I've been peeping the sand lately.
It's just cats. It's just cats.
Yeah, and some of them. Yeah, cats like to peep, like to peek, you know. They like to look around. Curious creatures. My favorite must be bottom right.
I have to send this one now.
Let's see.
I didn't even
Cheese
write
surgery.
cheese wrong. I didn't even write cheese right.
Cheese. Cheese
Surgery, let's go. I'm happy there isn't any blood there. Otherwise, we'd have to scrap that.
I got a good one right over here. It's a beef's butthead. I don't know if you know Beef's a Butthead.
No, I don't.
I don't know if you know Big Cat. Yes, that's its official name, Big Cat. That's from now on. That's its official name. That's just its official name. You can tell it's a big cat. You can just tell it is.
The middle left one.
Yeah, that could be a profile picture. Could be a profile picture.
Yes, definitely.
Here's another animal.
Scary pigs. What the hell?
Scary pigs.
Chernobyl pigs.
Yeah, definitely the bottom left one is there's certainly. Because those are two pigs in one.
Most of them are. Right one. Oh god. Stop it. Stop.
I'm a papa.
The literal meaning behind two birds and one stone.
Stone birds,
Stone bird, stone bird.
stone bird, bun, stone bird.
Stone bird.
Here's something. Here's this. Bing, bing, bum, bum, bum. Pink pizza.
Pink
Got some
pizza.
pink pizza.
That's just raw pepperoni on there.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's red and pink.
Oh god, I got a cool one. It's not really funny, but it's cool.
Alright, let's see. Stairs made out of lava in a snowy room. Holy crap. That's cool.
The bottom left one is just a stairs made out of snow in a lavy room.
Yeah. It's kind of quite the opposite of the rest.
Yes.
What do you think it is? Simpsons. Statue of the Simpsons.
Bruh.
Bruh, 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 bruh.
I love how the top left one is just Marge combined with Homer.
Yeah.
I have created a thing.
Mouse hunting cat. Where's the mouse? I don't see the mouse. Oh, I think I see the mouse. Is that a mouse? Yeah, there's the mouse.
I'm not even sure what counts as a mouse for Crayon.
Anyways, I got yeah, this guy, Ricky Astley.
Wow.
What do you think, bro? What do you think?
Rick Astley.
Wow.
Fire. I tried to do something here, but it didn't work. Like at all. It just gave away Jeff Bezos.
Jeff Bezos meeting Barney the dinosaur. It's more like Jeff Bezos meeting Jeff Bezos, because
Right.
multiple pictures. Is,
Why does he always meet himself? Or these
I
are
don't
just
know,
the
maybe
faces
he
he'll
likes
get
himself.
when he meets Barney the dinosaur. I don't know.
Maybe when he tries meeting these other people here, they turn into him. Maybe it's a virus. Look for yourself.
Ah.
Maybe we could end with a little song or something. I don't know.
I don't know either.
End with a song.
What
Say
song?
What you say?
What's up?
I know, just something I made up or something. I don't know.